What's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a run by Snow Patrol. Super cool song. We're in standard tuning. It's not too hard. So let's get to it. We got this A minor that is very interesting. So that's 2 on the D string and 5 on the G. It's quite a stretch. So you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then move this guy up half a step to 3. 2, 3, 4. Alright, and keep the pinky where it is. Then we want to move first finger, E string, 3rd fret, and 3rd finger, A string, 5th fret. You get this chord. You gotta bar this a little bit. Should sound like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's all the verses. Then we got a C with the chorus with the 5th in the bass. So that's basically C chord, but you want to switch 3rd finger, put that on the E string, 3rd fret, and pinky on the A. Get that cool sound. C, 5th in the bass. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2 G major, 1, 2, 3. To A minor, 1, 2, 3. To F major with a 5th in the bass. So that's 1, 2, 3. Sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, 5th in the bass. So C, to G, A minor, to F major, C, G major, and back to verse. It's all downstrokes. Chorus, C. Down, 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 up, down, 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 A minor, to F with 5th in the bass. C, double chorus. Okay, so let's review everything. It's not too much, just the verse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, and then this chord, which is like a G something, and then chorus. C, G, A minor, F. Cool. Thanks, folks, for tuning in. Great tune. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Thank you.